Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session and calls number M330686. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Michael Joseph Gilder. Mr. Gilder is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Gilder, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Gilder, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Okay, Mr. Gilder, you may put your hand down. Now, Mr. Gilder, earlier, the court read to you a document that is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without an Attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I think you have a copy of that document with you. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, at the bottom of that document where it says defendant's choice, what line did you place your initials on?
The fifth line.
And that fifth line reads, I want to waive my right to an attorney and represent myself. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And did you sign that document and date it today's date?
Yes,
March
sir.
16th of 2023?
Yes, sir.
And did you also read and sign another document? This other document is titled Waiver of Counsel for Purposes of Entering a Guilty Plea or Proceeding to Trial.
Yes, sir.
And did you read and did you sign that document?
Yes, sir.
And did you date it today's date, March 16th of 2023?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now, Mr. Gilder, did you also read and sign a document that is titled Motion to Forfeit?
Yes.
And now all of these documents that I have in that document in the motion to forfeit, there was a weapon in this case that is being forfeited. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And the state is going to read off the serial number to that weapon?
Yes, sir. It is a black over silver HK VP 40 caliber handgun, serial number 222-028010.
And Mr. Gilder, is that the correct same serial number that is on that motion?
Yes, sir.
And who is it being forfeited to?
It's being forfeited to the Beaumont Police Department.
And is it in that motion, is that weapon being forfeited to the Beaumont Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Gilder, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I've just mentioned to you, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in those documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Gilder, the court is going to sign the motion to forfeit the weapon. Mr. Gilder, you are representing yourself. State, do we have an agreement in this case?
We do, Your Honor. We've agreed in exchange for defendant forfeiting the weapon that I just listed. Again, that's the HK VP 40 caliber handgun, serial number 222-028010. In exchange for defendant agreeing to forfeit that weapon, the state is moving to dismiss this case, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Gilder, the state is dismissing this case for forfeiture of the weapon. The court will be signing this dismissal. Please give the paperwork to the bailiff. If you do not have, this case is complete. So if you do not have anything else holding you in jail, you should be getting out of jail today.
Okay.
So Mr. Gilder, please knock on the door, get the paperwork to the bailiff. You have a